Creative Florida landscaping ideas for your front yard. When it comes to enhancing the beauty of your home, the front yard is the first impression visitors receive in Florida. With its unique climate and diverse ecosystem, there are countless opportunities to create stunning landscapes that not only elevate curb appeal but also resonate with the environment. Here are some innovative front yard ideas that embrace the essence of Florida landscaping, incorporating elements of tropical garden design and native flora. Embrace tropical garden design. Florida's warm climate is perfect for cultivating a tropical paradise right in your front yard. Consider incorporating lush, vibrant plants such as hibiscus, bird of paradise, and palm trees. These tropical staples not only add a burst of color, but also create a serene atmosphere that invites relaxation. A well-planned tropical garden design can transform your front yard into a personal oasis, ideal for enjoying the balmy Florida evenings. Go native with Florida plants. One of the smartest choices for your front yard is to use native Florida plants. These species are well adapted to the local climate, requiring less water and maintenance compared to non-native varieties. Plants like the Florida kundi, firebush, and gallberry are not only drought-tolerant but also attract local wildlife, including butterflies and birds. By utilizing native plants, you contribute to the preservation of Florida's unique ecosystem while ensuring your garden flourishes with minimal effort. Drought-tolerant options for sustainability. Sustainability is key in modern landscaping, especially in regions like Florida where water conservation is essential. Incorporating drought-tolerant plants into your front yard not only conserves water, but also simplifies maintenance. Consider options such as succulents, yarrow, and ornamental grasses, which thrive in Florida's climate with little irrigation. These plants can be arranged into eye-catching groupings, creating a colorful front yard that is both beautiful and eco-friendly. Coastal landscaping for a beachy vibe. If you live near the coast, why not embrace coastal landscaping? Incorporate elements such as sandy pathways, driftwood accents, and salt-tolerant plants like sea oats and beach sunflower. This style not only reflects Florida's beautiful shoreline, but also complements the surrounding environment. Add a few strategically placed boulders or seashells to enhance the beachy vibe, turning your front yard into a coastal retreat that captures the spirit of Florida living. The allure of low-maintenance gardens. For homeowners looking to enjoy a beautiful landscape without the heavy upkeep, low-maintenance gardens are the perfect solution. Opt for perennial flowering plants that return year after year, or use ground covers like jasmine or creeping thyme to fill empty spaces. Grouping plants with similar watering needs can help streamline maintenance tasks and ensure that your garden remains lush and inviting with minimal effort. Creating a stunning front yard in Florida is an exciting opportunity to embrace the local flora and climate. By thoughtfully selecting native plants, incorporating tropical designs, and considering drought-tolerant options, you can craft an outdoor space that not only enhances curb appeal but also showcases the beauty of Florida landscaping. Whether you prefer a colorful front yard bursting with blooms or a serene, low-maintenance retreat, these ideas are sure to inspire you to transform your landscape into a vibrant and inviting haven.